Hello everybody. Gosh, excuse me, it's Jamaison and it's time for another unboxing, and this one is a big one. So if you are familiar with that logo, you know this is going to be a fun one. I have to apologize. I'm wearing the camera around my neck, which is probably not going to make for the best video, but I tore my Achilles tendon and I'm recovering from surgery and I can't use my space the way I usually do. But I wanted to get this box open and unpacked as quickly as I could. And so I'm down at the end of my workbench and you get the camera on my neck. So quick word, this is a giant order from Tabitha. Tabitha, if you follow her on their group, there's a Tabitha's Glass Emporium Facebook group. She does a monthly giveaway, and I won the April giveaway, which was super nice. And after she announced that I was the winner of the giveaway, I wrote her and said, do not ship that giveaway package yet because I want to place an order. And boy, did I place a big one. So this might take a little bit to get through. Another word about unboxings like this. I'm filming this in May 2024, but I can't guarantee when you are looking at it, and I can't guarantee what the stock is that Tabitha has. So if there's something that you see that I unbox that you want, that you just fall in love with, and you can't find it on tabithasglassemporium.com, then reach out to the team. Super nice, super easy to work with, and I'm sure they'd give you a sense of what is available or when the next order is going to be manufactured. So just feel free to reach out to them if there's something that you see here that you can't find on the website. I think that's about it. So with that, let's dig in. I am going to, this is going to be hard for me to kind of navigate, so I apologize in advance for the noise and the cumbersome video. But let's start. I am going to assume that this one was the package that was the giveaway. And so let's take a look. It's hard for me sometimes to look over this camera and see what I'm doing here. So hopefully, and I realize the camera work is also kind of shaky. I'm literally propped up on one foot right now because I can't put any weight on my Achilles tendon. Yes, I'm certain this is the giveaway. There you go, April. And I use bullseye glass, so it's marked 90. But Tabitha also does COE 96, and she also does the float glass stuff. So if you're interested in that, you should check that out as well. So little letter, thank you for participating. Hope you make fun projects. Share what you make. Use some of this Murrini to pay it forward in some way. I love that idea, and I will do that. So let's open this up and see what we have. This is going to have a little bit of everything. Look at this. I mean, look at these little dragonflies. There's a butterfly. That's super cool. Leaves, all sorts of little woodland creatures. There's a turtle, I believe. Got lots of pretty flowers. I didn't think this through because I don't know where I'm going to go with all this. Some of her mandalas. Look at that toucan. Can you see that? A fish. And there's so much more. This is the giveaway. So you just need to go online and participate. Look how that butterfly is. That's so fun. I love these sunflowers, daffodils, some fish, turtles, the caterpillars. This is awesome and amazing, and thank you. And I will definitely, look at this lampwork leaf. That is so cool. I will definitely pay this forward. So thank you, Tabitha, and Tabitha's entire team, because I know that there's a lot of folks that go into the production of the glass, as well as the order fulfillment, the marketing and social media. It takes a village. So thank you very much to the entire Tabitha team. I'm not sure how I'm going to negotiate all of this. All right, just a moment. Let me reach here. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Stringers. transparent green stringers. In fact, and I ordered several batches of it. I don't think I'm going to unpack these, but you've seen Tabitha use stringers before on her videos. You've seen me use them in my videos. These are great for floral pieces. Forgive me, I'm just not going to open all this up because I don't have the space to do that. You know, I just want to make sure that that I can keep moving here. So I'm not going to open that up, but they're beautiful green stringers, which are perfect for floral pieces or other decoration as well. Okay, I'm going to move that out of the way and put it up here. Look at this. Look at all of these little pillow boxes. But first, a little bit of confetti. You know that I love me some confetti. And you've seen me use it in so many projects before. And I saw some fun colors that I just decided I needed to have. Check that out. Check out that multicolor mix. That is really fun. That is going to be fun. I love to make little hearts and paws, you know, casted glass pieces. I've made jewelry with the confetti, and so no shortage of ideas when it comes to using this confetti. And the price is right. So Tabitha is in Croatia, so it depends on where you live. You're going to have to ship it, but I can promise you, even shipping to the United States, if you can be patient, it is worth it, and it is not as expensive as you might think. Look at this. I just loved this. Green lime. So it's lime or line? I don't have my glasses on. But white with this little strip of what I think is lime green in there. That's just a fun little stripe. So I needed to have that. So anyways, I was saying the shipping is really not expensive. So the affordability of the product combined with the affordability of the shipping means it doesn't matter where you live. You should really consider ordering. And then a few times a year, Tabitha does free international shipping. And if you get your order in early, that's great. If you're later, you're further down the list because it takes them weeks, it seems, to fulfill that shipping. But also another great opportunity if you can be patient. Okay, so these are white flowers. It was a curious mix of white flowers, meaning these were kind of her seconds, right? They didn't turn out exactly as she wanted. But my mind started going crazy with what you could do with these, particularly with the middle there. Filling it in, firing these. So I bought a bunch. I don't remember how many. 9? Is that what that says? Yeah, I did buy a lot. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I know it's going to be cool. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And then you're more likely to get a notification in the future that I've published something. And maybe it'll be something that I've made with some of this stuff. All right, next. In no particular order. Fruit salad. I love her fruits. And I've owned some citrus, but not some of the other, and strawberries, but not some of these other things that she's made. Look at this. So there's little kiwis. There's a pineapple right there with the pineapple fronds. The strawberries, there's little chili peppers. And I happen to have a little water handy so that I could show you, because these are larger Murrini that have been sliced. So you need to wet them so you can kind of see what they really look like. And I've usually used spit on my finger, but this time I planned ahead. Look at that. Look at that watermelon. Isn't that cool? The orange, super neat, vibrant colors. So I loved this fruit salad mix, both because the sizes in here are different. Let's go ahead and check out this chili pepper and pineapple. I have a little water left on my fingers. Yeah, look at those. Aren't those cool? There's other big pieces in there. There's a big lime, there's a big lemon, giant kiwi. I mean, that's so cool. So, fruit salad. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I needed it. I didn't want it. I needed it. You know what it's like if you're oh, there was a cherry in there. If you're a glass artist, you know what the need is versus the want. Okay. This one is Yellow Star. I use these at Christmas a lot, and so when I saw that they were in stock, I just went ahead and ordered them. I love these stars. I use them on Christmas trees. Check those out. I mean, that's a really nice extra touch to something like a Christmas tree because of the lines that are in there. I mean, that is an artistic, cool, unique star. And little pro tip, if you're in the United States like me, it's impressive when you find out that things have come from faraway lands. And so I'll be in my booth and I'll tell people, hey, that yellow star, that's from one of my favorite artists in Croatia. And they go, ooh and ah, and then that justifies my price a little bit more. All right, lemons. So I ordered individuals of the fruit as well. So the fruit salad was a mix, and then here's a big old thing of big lemons. See what else we got. Fruit mix. So this is more of a fruit mix, so I'm not even going to open that up because it's the same as what I've showed you before. Let's see what this one is. Basic rainbow. So she has these really nice basic Murrini shapes. I like to keep some certain colors on hand, and I was getting low, and so these are the yellow. So check those out. Just, you can use these in all sorts of things. I've done some really neat jewelry with those before. I've got a customer whose school colors are blue and gold, and so I've done some stuff for her. These are limes, so like the fruit mix that you've already seen. I'm not going to open that. Next up, bumblebee. Let's check out these bees. Look at that. Can you see those little guys? Hopefully you can see that in the video. So awesome to put on a floral piece, a little accent. It's just that little something extra. Again, you can tell people, ooh, that bee was made by an artist in Croatia. It's so impressive. But it's, you know, I like to create pieces that have a lot of visual interest, and the bee is a great way to kind of have something extra. The robin bird, if you're familiar with birds, Robin is actually my daughter's name, spelled this way, just like the bird. And so I don't know how I'll use these, but when I saw them, I had to have them. Look how neat those are. Yeah, check out that robin. So I'll probably make something for my daughter, of course. But again, nice visual interest in pieces like landscape pieces. With some of the giveaway items, I have a charity auction coming up, so I think I'm going to make something with those giveaway winnings that I have for the charity auction. That's my way of paying it forward. Caterpillars, I love these. This is a mix of sizes. You've got big guys, little guys. I put those on almost all of my floral pieces. Sorry, realize that maybe I'm not doing the best camera work here, but hopefully you can see those. Those caterpillars are fun. The colors and the stripes remind me of the Very Hungry Caterpillar, if you're familiar with that book. Lots of fun. Carrots. Okay, so this is not fruit, but I saw these and fell in love and said I need to have them. So here are carrots and the little carrot tops that go with them. Check those out. That is so fun. So fun. Don't know how I'm going to use them, but they are now in my stash. Hot chilies. So you saw the chilies that were in the fruit salad mix. Same thing here, some red chilies. I live in Texas where we like our spicy food, so I thought that I could use those in a little platter or something. Seagulls. This is mixed sizes of seagulls. Tabitha has a wonderful line of beachy underwater products. I've made several pieces with them, and I've had some of these seagulls, but I'm running low, so I wanted some more. I've forgotten what I ordered. There's so much here. Rainbow Star Mandala. Let's check it out. I'm gonna need the water for these. Oh yeah, these were brand new. They had just hit the website. So look at the rainbow, rainbow edge there. And then these almost look like, I don't know what color they were, but it almost looks like they were made with like peacock glass or something. I don't think they were. Where's my camera? But look how cool that is. I don't know, maybe there's some peacock in there, but some beautiful colors. So those were new. I just hit the site, put them in my cart because I knew I needed them. Needed them, not wanted them, needed them. Indigo, this is that, again, it was the basic Murrini, and I said I had a customer who loves the blue and gold color scheme, and I've made several pieces for her, and so I just needed to stock up again on some of my blue and some of my gold. Orange, same thing. The fruit salad, those orange slices, that's what this is, so I'm not even gonna open those. Animals, black seabird. So kind of like the white seagulls you just saw, here's some black versions. So this doesn't have to just be for the sea. I remember drawing those little birds on all my art projects when I was a little kid. And so those black birds could be used for just about anything. All right, we're getting closer to the bottom. Is that it? Almost. So let's just see what we got left. Watermelon slices. So just like the fruit mix, I ordered some additional watermelons, so that's what those are. These are mushrooms, and these are more robins. These are small robins as opposed to the big ones that you saw earlier. So I'll open the mushrooms as the last piece. These were really cute. Check those out. Love it. Love the multicolors too. Gives you some great options. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Make sure you check out tabithasglassemporium.com. If you don't want to type that out, just go to my link tree and make sure that you're following the link tree, because I post all of my favorite links there, including Tabitha's shop. Happy fusing, everybody. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.